Playfair, Cipher. This is an example of polygraphic substitution. Polygraphic is a substitution that involves replacing a group of characters in a message with a group of letters or characters. I choose the keyword puzzle. Keyword puzzle. First, create a 5 by 5 grid just like this. Although there are 26 letters in the alphabet, only 25 squares are required as I and J are incorporated into one square, as there are no words where it is not obvious which letter is required. Kyle writes the keyword in the first space left to right. Each letter can only be used once, so further use a letter is ignored and the remaining space are filled with the rest of the letter of the alphabet. Be sure not to double up a character. P, U, Z has been used. L, E, A, B, C, D, E has been used. G, H, I, and J, K, M, N, O, P has been used. Q, R, S, T, U has been used. W, X, Y, Z has been used. Wants to send Mark a message. The meeting is at 3 Forest. The gaps in the words are closed, and wherever there are two letters the same together, they must be broken up by adding an X between them. These are the rules of encrypting Playfair Cipher. Number 1. If both letters are in the same row, replace them with the letters on the right of the letters. If the letters is on the end, go back to the start of the same row and use the letter to replace which the end letter. Number 2. If both of letters are in the same column, replace them with the letter below them. If the letter is on the bottom, go back to the top of the column and use the letter to replace with the bottom letter. Number 3. Neither of the letters are in the same column nor same row. Imagine creating a rectangle which two letters on opposite corners. Write down the other two letters on the other corners of the triangle. These rules will become clearer as we see the encryption process. I created the table. I replaced two letters of the plain text in each square of the first row. Then, referring to the three rules, I decided which one is relevant to the group of two letters and put the number of the rule in square in row 2. In row 3, I replace the encrypted letters, repeating this of for the whole message. As TH are not in the same row or column, this is rule 3. To create rectangle, the letter V and G are needed. So V and G are the encrypted letters for TH. As EM are in the same column, rule 2 applies. The letter below EM are encrypted letters. In this case, FS as X as EX are in different rows and columns. Rule 3 applies. So, to make it rectangle, LY become the encrypted letters. ET is rule 3, so encrypted letters become PY. In IN is rule 3 becomes GQ. GI is rule 1 as they are on the same row, so letter to the right, HK are encryption letters. SA is rule 3 becoming NF. TX is rule 1 become VY. EF is rule 2 become FM. XF is rule 3 become Y. Or OR is rule 1 becomes OS. ES is rule 2 become FY. TX is rule 3 become VY. V, G, F, S, L, Y, P, Y, G, Q, H, K, N, F, V, Y, X, N, F, M, Y, D, Q, S, F, Y, V, Y. This is the cipher text for the meeting is at 3 Forest.